Hello Planning Mashers and welcome back to the channel. I'm so excited to finally share with you what's inside our Acrylograph box. Now, disclaimer here, I do work with them. I'm part of their design team, so I did get this box for free. But I work with them because I really love their brand. And this new product is amazing. And I am so excited to share with you what's inside this little bundle of joy. Now, if you're new here, my name is Masha and I'm creating videos on bullet journaling, doodling, creativity, stationery. So be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you always know when I release a new video. Okay, I can't wait anymore. Let's get to it. Let's take a look inside. Okay, so here's the box. And we're just gonna look inside, but if you want more details on how to buy it, on how to subscribe it, what are the prices, be sure to check out the blog post in the description. Okay, so the box looks really cute. It has these letters here saying beauty comes from the inside. And well, I am really excited to take a look inside. I already saw a few things because I did sneak peeks for you guys before, but some things I haven't opened yet, so I'm probably as excited as you are, guys. So here we are, and I'm just gonna move the box a little bit so we can take a look at everything one by one, but basically it looks really high-end. There is tons of stuff, and yeah, this box is full of goodies. So let me kind of move this away and let's start one by one. Okay, so number one is A5 notebook cover. OMG, this is something I've been waiting for so long. And it looks amazing. Let me get my scissors. I've been wanting a cover for a long time, and I have one. I got one actually, but I never saw a cover like this. This one really allows you to see the design of the notebook. This is awesome. So here it is. It has, I don't know how to say it, but you can see that it has some kind of a liquid there. And well, I don't have much to say. It's exquisite and it's beautiful and it's in silver color. And it's gonna look amazing on my new journal. Okay, let's get the second item. And I love these boxes. They are in kind of similar color scheme as the box itself. And I must say that these are going to be unique just for the subscription box. Let's take a look inside. Oh my God, how adorable is this? And what a beautiful color. So this is a little black book. It's a little Blackout book. It's 160 GSM and it's 112 pages. And the edges are silver and it's just so cute and beautiful. And the inside are pretty much like in any Acrylograph notebook. The pages are gorgeous black. We have two ribbons here. And of course, this book belongs to. And here we have a back pocket. This looks amazing. I'm already thinking of ideas on how to use this one because it's just so cute. Next is, so that's a pencil case and I am loving it so much. Like, look how beautiful holographic effect is. Let me take it out of the box. Okay, so the cool thing about this pencil case is that it has this ribbon, so you can actually just put it over your journal. For example, So this is my Archer and Olive journal, and basically you can just use the ribbon and put your pencil case like this. So you always have all your pens with you, and it has 2 sections. I don't know, it's just amazing. I love the scales, I love this holographic design. Wow, simply wow. Next thing are washi tapes. So this is a set of 4 washi tapes. And let's see. You probably saw them already in the preview on my Instagram, but here they are. So this is, you know, I'm gonna take it out so we can see it closer. Okay, so the first one is this scales washi. Then you have this one that is kind of like stars, moon and stars. Then this one, oh, so gorgeous. It's like white washi with silver flowers. And this is kind of a fun magic rainbow washi. I love this. There's never enough washi, and I'm just so happy Archer and Olive is releasing some now as well. Next item is a set of pens. I must say I really dig this kind of a little pencil case. It looks really cute. And I love the detail. Like, look here, it says Acrylograph. And so these are 0.7 millimeter tip Acrylograph pens. So I'm excited to see those. Ta-da! Okay. So we have a teal, gray, kind of a dark purple, light purple, I guess, and light blue. So this one is actually silver. It is not gray. So honestly, I really have to swatch it. So give me a second and we're gonna do just that. Okay, let's take a closer look to all the colors. They look magnificent. Really, really pretty. And I love how the pen colors are really kind of in sync with the whole color theme of the box. That's pretty cool. Okay, let's see what else is there. So before we opening the big box, here are a few more things that come inside the box. So first, this is a little tutorial on how to create dream board, which is kind of like a vision board, which is really cool. And I believe this is created with actually these pens and these washi tapes from the box as well. So that's amazing. That's easily something you can create in your journal. And here we have a different elements which you can use for your dream board. You can just cut it out and add to your journal. Okay, now time for the big one. Let me get my paper cutter. Okay, so this is an A5 160 GSM dot grid journal. Let's take a look inside. While I'm opening this up, I want to mention that for each box, the content will be very, very different. The only thing that will stay the same is an A5 dot grid journal. And the designs for these A5 journals will be limited edition, unique to your box. Okay, let's take a look. Let's move everything so we have a better view of the big reveal. Ta-da! Oh my god, this is another white journal, and it really reminds me of the rainbow journal, and it's beautiful. So let me see. So here's a little girl, and it is holographic, and the edges are also holographic, as you can see. Wow, I am absolutely in love with this journal. The cover is for leather, so it feels just really, really nice. And inside you have all the best from Archer and Olive. So this book belongs to, and then you go straight to white dot grid pages. And of course you get two beautiful bookmarks, one with a little logo, and yes, and there is a pocket on the back. Wow, this is incredible. You know what? Why don't we try this cover we got on this journal? Wow, this looks amazing. I am so in love. Yes, that way with the cover you can't really use the rubber band or the pen holder, but actually you have this close up, so you don't really need a rubber band. And as for pen holder, well, you can always just use your pencil case. Okay, I'm really feeling the vibe here, and very likely this is gonna be my next bullet journal. It just looks so perfect. Well, that's all we have in the box. Hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing, and be sure to check the blog post in the description for more details. And if you have any questions about the box, be sure to let me know in the comments. I'll be happy to clarify anything for you. And well, I will see you in the next video. Keep bullet journaling and don't be a blob. Bye!